Good evening. This is Book Readers app. This app is aimed to facilitate people who are passionate about reading by providing this easy to use online platform to discover and purchase a wide range of books. This is the landing page of this Book Readers app. In this app, there are categories, feature categories here, wish list and cart, search bar, filter, add to cart, go to cart buttons. These are the features in this app. So here we can see these are feature categories here. If I click any of these categories, so it moves with this book list page with that category selected. So this category young adult, it is selected here and it shows this. If I want to if I want to go here again and want to click here all categories book, then it shows all categories books here. And by price ladder, I can means we can see books according to the price here. By this price ladder, if I click any category, then it shows that category books like this books, young adult books. And if I click this ratings, if I select by rating, then it shows according to the rating books. If I click or select it by sort books by price, then it shows low to high. And if I click high to low, then it shows high to low. And if I clear this filter, so it clears the filter and shows all book here. Here is my search bar. If I search any book here, it shows that book. If I click any of these books, it shows detail page of that particular book. So this is detail page of this book. If I click add to wish list, then it shows book added to wish list, and if I click add to cart, then it is added to cart. And here count is also increased of wish list and cart. If I click here add to wish list, then it is added to wish list. If I click here add to cart, then it is added to cart. Here count has increased. This is wish list page, and these are books here. If I want to move with uh, move to cart this book, then it is moved to cart. And if I want to remove this book, then it is removed from this wish list. And this is cart page. Uh, these are the books. Here we can see the quantity of book has increased because I have selected it two times, one more times, two times, so it is here two times. And from here, if I want to move it to wish list, then it is moved to wish list, and if I want to remove this, then it is removed. And it is also showing price according to the items. This is profile page, and here is a user name, email, and phone number, and this is address form. If I select any data here, then it adds that data in the addresses. If I add address, then it is added here. If I want to edit this address, then if I save it, then it is edited here, or updated here. If I want to delete it, then it is deleted. And if I want to select any of these address, I can select any of the one address from here. It shows in this checkout page. So this is my checkout page of this app, and here we can see the address of Sam, which I have selected from the profile page. From here, manage address. From this button, we can manage address, and this is order summary of items. If I click place order, then it shows order placed successfully and cart count is 0. In the code, I have here this components and pages. I have included them in this routes, and here I have used this toast container to show this alerts. This is my book list page, and here is my book context from where I'm managing the state of books. In this books and set books, I have data in the initial value. Data is the initial value, and I am using this here in book list page. This book set books. So, and this all data has all the data. I have used this use effect function here for this filter function. If category, if category, this category is I am getting this category from the use params by category page, and then I'm using it here to filter the books according to the category. Uh, it sets to the sets filter books. Then, if this condition false, then it sets book with all data, and this is the dependency array I have provided to the use fact, and the books I am rendering here. So it is showing here. Here I have added this go to card add to card function. If inside card dot find, I'm using find method or card on card. If card has this ID book, then it shows this, and if it is not, then it shows this. So by clicking on this, so it goes to cart, and now it is checking if cart has that book, then it is showing go to cart. In the book context, I have created a function for this wishlist cart and cart which is here. So by this function I'm adding card in a wish list, and here I'm checking if data don't find it. I have used here find method, and it is checking if book.id is matching with this ID, then it will show that data there and render that data with the wish list. And this toast.success is used to show notification for book added to wishlist. If I click it from here,